So here's how to verify your PayPal account. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your PayPal account. After that, here you have to click on the pay and get paid option. Once you click on it, now it will take you to this page. Here you have to verify your account via linking a debit or credit card, and once you click on it, here you have to enter all your details. Once you enter your debit card details, now your account is verified. However, if you have a bank account and you want to link it, what you have to do is you have to go back and click on the link a bank account option, and once you click on it, now here you have to enter your details. Here you have to enter your bank name, bank code and account number, and then click on the link your bank option. Now you have successfully linked your bank account to your PayPal account. Sometime PayPal will ask you to verify your PayPal account via your identification number. In that case, you have to enter your identification number or any government licensed ID. After that, your account will be verified. So that's how to verify your PayPal account.